I'm Martin Rieger and producer of Sounds of Germany. Here we travel as an immersive tourist and collect sounds during our journey, which then transform into music and eventually lead into a Beethoven piece. I had a lot of fun to record with the Neumann KU100 and experiment with it in unusual ways. Like this, I could really capture the feeling of being there. Additionally, I recorded isolated sounds with a boom microphone, which I could then spatialize with DVR Pro. So the trick to create a hyper-realistic 3D sound was to use binaural recordings and combining them with the Ambeo tools in the studio. Thanks to everybody who was involved. I'm looking forward to see how 3D audio will develop in the future.